Are you an email marketer who relies on emails to grow your business? Are you frustrated with your emails landing in the spam folder or tired of the hefty costs associated with expensive email marketing software? At Email Bouncer Academy, we offer high-value email marketing courses that teach you how to set up self-hosted bulk email automation systems, cold email infrastructure, improve email deliverability, ensure email security, automate emails, and set up SMTP servers. Our courses are entirely practical and are taught by Udemy's highest-rated instructors who are experts in their field. Plus, every course includes lifetime access, regular updates, and a certificate of completion that you can add to your resume. Say goodbye to your emails landing in spam and expensive email automation fees. We provide you with skills that actually make a difference. Ready to get started? Visit learn.emailbouncer.org today and begin your learning journey.